Hey, it's Andre with JuiceWorks 3D Innovation Academy, and we are doing our first print with our newly built Prusa MK4S kit. Yeah, finally got it all calibrated and ready to roll. Figured our first print should be the filament guide that they included with the MK4S, so we can put a couple of these guides on our MK3S Pluses. So nice touchscreen, nice bright display. Couple differences, especially when loading the filament with the MK4S. A little bit slower, but I guess that's because it's got that extruder nozzle. So you would expect that to be the case. But yeah, we'll see you on the flip side when the print is done. They did a good job with the display. You can see print time. This shows how much is remaining until the print. Remaining time, 44 minutes. Print will end today at 10:02 a.m. So yeah, it's interesting though that the nozzle temp for PET G is reading 175 C when normally that should be like 230 for the first layer. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Very different than the MK4S. We got 25 probing points. You can see it moving through each of those. On the MK3S Pluses, there's 9 of them, I believe. So, yeah. Well, there we go. So now the bed is heating to 240 C for the PET G as expected. So it looks like it just went to 175 earlier for the probing points, and now it's gonna start up for the actual print. So that makes more sense. And the kit that we got came with the stainless smooth sheet, or excuse me, not stainless, but the smooth steel sheet. We ended up ordering this Hicktop PEI sheet, especially for printing with PET G. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And there she goes. Really nice first layer. That didn't sound good. I think it was a really nice. What the heck, dude? That is not sounding good. Seems to be bogging down there. Unless that's just what the fancy extruder is supposed to do, but we shall see. This thing is definitely crazy quick, man, that's for sure. Sheesh. So fast it's shaking my whole table. Coming along nicely. Crazy quick, crazy quick. You can see from the image, that's what it looks like. Not sure what happened with the G-code that laid down those extra outside layers. So we stopped the print because I noticed there was a huge shift. Look at that layer shift. So we're gonna reprint. I've stabilized my tables a little bit. See what happens. First print on the MK4S turned out fantastic. We did the filament holder so we can pop it on our other printers here. So This thing took 44 minutes, super fast, great quality, looks amazing. Yeah.